3 smart reasons to consider an above-ground pool. Above-ground swimming pools offer families an affordable, fun way to enjoy the water without the commitment of an in-ground installation. If you're thinking about investing in swimming at home, here are 3 smart reasons to consider an above-ground pool. A flexible, portable solution. An above-ground pool is quick to set up and can be used almost anywhere in your backyard. Plus, unlike an in-ground model, above-ground pools offer tremendous flexibility. If you move or decide to change your outdoor landscape, simply relocate your pool. Simple maintenance. The average above-ground pool is smaller than the average in-ground model. Smaller size means less water, which reduces the cost of chemicals and cleaning products. Choose user-friendly filtration systems too, and you'll find it's even easier to keep the water in your pool fresh, clean, and ready to enjoy. Lower cost. An above-ground swimming pool provides the same benefits as more traditional in-ground models, but at a fraction of the cost. Installation is quick and inexpensive. This means you can spend more time with the family enjoying your pool and less time paying for it. So go ahead, take a swim. You deserve it. It's fast, fun, and relaxing. Not only that, it's good for the body, soothes the mind, and can improve your overall health and well-being. To learn more about the benefits of owning an above-ground swimming pool, just give us a call or visit our website at www.apollopoolsandspas.com.